People are always asking me, Ty, how to become a millionaire? Well, I got a question for you. When's the last time you read Will Durant? People go, never. I go, yeah, there's no hope for you. You haven't read books by the greatest thinker of the last 100 years, maybe of civilization? Man, we live in such a weak-willed society that people want to never learn. They come out of high school, the average person never reads a nonfiction book again. I got news for you. If you're not a perpetual learning machine, there's no hope for you. You don't have to be a genius, but you have to be a learning machine. You have to be a learning machine. People are so weak-willed now, they come out and they go, oh, Ty, I want to get in your programs. Well, where do I find them? TyLopez.com. You're not smart enough to use Google? You're disqualified. Why are you talking to me? Now, this is a mean message, but hey, sometimes the truth hurts. And it's better to get the truth than have somebody lie to you and say, oh, you'll blaze your own path. Forget blazing your own path. You blaze your own path and design your own airplane that you get in? No, you get in one built by smart people. So study smart people and then you got a chance.